Hi and welcome to another video for year 7 maths. So today you are going to do still under the chapter algebra and linear equation, but today we are going to solve word problems using linear equations. So today, once you have read the question regarding the problem, you will identify the unknowns. So when you find the unknowns, you have to represent them by letters. So the default letter for all the problems that you're going to do later is going to be X, okay? And then what you're going to do is you will translate, or you will try to change the given problem into a linear equation. So when you have the linear equation, you just have to solve it. And when you find the unknown, you will write down and answer the solution for the problem. So let's say here, for example, when 5 is added to 3 times a number, the result is 7. So the steps are going to be the same. So when you form the equation, 3 times a number is 3x. Okay, x is the unknown, plus 5 and equals 17. So we're going to solve this problem. And in the end, you will have answer 4. So let's move on to the given problem. Okay, right here. So example number 1a, Mary is 6 kilogram lighter than Azmi. Their total mass is 76 kilogram. Find the mass of each person. So let's start here. So the crucial point of this one is their total mass, and also the information about Mary, which is 6 kilogram lighter than Azmi. Okay, so here what we're going to do is to let Mary be X kilogram, right? So Azmi should be, since Mary is lighter than Azmi, so let's say if Azmi has X kilogram, so Mary is 6 kilogram lighter, so Azmi should be 6 kilogram heavier, right? So Azmi will be X plus 6 kilogram. So what we're going to do is to find the mass of each person, and you know that their total mass is 76 kilogram. So here you have to sum their weight, which is x plus 6 equals 76. So you're going to solve this problem. 2x is resulted from x plus 6 equals 76. So you have to use the equality rule. Okay, subtract 6 and then you will get 2x equals 70. So in the end, you have to divide both sides by 2 and you will obtain x equals 36. So here you have the solution for this equation, but you haven't answered the solution for this problem. So you have to find the mass of each person. So here let Mary is x. So x, you know that Mary will be 36 kilogram, and Azmi is x plus 6. So Azmi will be a 36 plus 6 going to be 42 kilogram. So there you have it for the first question. Okay, 36 plus 6. So let's double check this once more. Oh, sorry about this one. I have to correct this. 36 is not going to be 36. This is 35. Okay, so 70 divided by 2 is 35. Apology for the mistake. So Mary will be 35 and Azmi will be 41 kilogram. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. The width of the rectangle is 3 centimeter and the length is x plus 4 centimeter. The area is 27 centimeter square. Find the length of the rectangle. So here you are given the unknown already, which is x. And here you are given information about the width and the length and also the area, right? So what we're going to do with this quantity is, let's try to visualize it and let's draw a rectangle. Okay, so here the width is 3, so I will put 3 over here, and the length is x plus 4, and you know the area is 27 centimeter square, and you know that to find the area you have to multiply the width and the length. So what you're going to have is 3 times x plus 4, so you have to give this bracket 3 bracket x plus 4, because you are multiplying everything. This is going to be equal 27. So what we're going to do next is to proceed with the expansion. 3x plus 3 times 4 is 12 equal 27. And there you have it for your linear equation for this problem. So let's subtract 12 for both sides. Okay, to have 3x equals 27 minus 12 will be 15. And in the end, you will have to divide this by 3. So you will have x equals 5, which is the solution for your linear equation, but you haven't answered the final question. Just find the length. So what is the length over here? The length is this one, which is x plus 4. So you know the weight already, right, from the beginning of the question, but here you have to to answer that the length of the rectangle is going to be x plus 4, which is 5 plus 4. So the answer is 9 centimeter for the length of part B. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Okay, the next one is about also a rectangle, but here the length is given by 5x plus 3 units and the breadth is 4x minus 2 units. Find its dimensions. Okay, so the dimension, it means by you have to find the length, how many units will it be, and the breadth. So here you are given that the perimeter will be 28 units. So let's illustrate a problem. Let's draw a rectangle. All right, so here the length is 5x plus 3, right, and the breadth is 4x minus 2. So basically perimeter, you have to add everything. 5x plus 3, 5x plus 3. So here you have 2 bracket x plus 3. And for the breadth, it will be 4x minus 2. And then another 4x minus 2. So you will have 2 times this. So the equation will be, just do it manually. So here I will start with the length. 5x plus 3 plus 5x plus 3. And for the breadth will be plus 4x minus 2 and also 4 plus 4x, and same thing, you have to minus 2, so everything will be equal 28 units. So here you have to simplify first on the left side. So 5x plus 5x plus 4x plus 4x will be 9x plus 9x, 18x, and then you have to add 3 plus 3 minus 2 minus 2. So 3 plus is 6, minus 2 is 4, 4 minus 2 will be plus 2. Okay, let's double check again. 6 minus 4, 2. Okay, so this one will be equal 28. So what you're going to do next is you have to solve the equation over here. So minus 2 minus 2. So let's double check once more. So yeah, we sure about that. And 18x. So 18x is equal to 28. Oh no, sorry about this. I have to correct the question. So this is actually 38. Okay, so have to correct the number. So here it should be 38. Okay, so 18x equal 36. So you have to divide 18x divided by 18. So you have to do the same thing on the right side. So therefore your x is equals 2. But you haven't answered the question yet. It's because you have to find the dimension if its perimeter is 38 units. So you have to fill in x over here. So the first one is for the length. So for the length, it is 5x, which means 5 times 2 plus 3. So it will be 10 plus 3. So it is 13 centimeter. So that's for your first question. Okay, first part. And then let's find the breadth. So the breadth here, it will be a breadth. The breadth over here will be 4 times x, which means 4 times 2 minus 2. So here it will be 8 minus 2. So your answer will be 6 centimeter. So there you have it. Let's double check again. 38, which means 13 plus 13 is 26. Plus 12 will be 38. So yeah, there you have it. That's all for this topic. I hope that it can quite be simple to understand. You can try to read everything back before you start the classwork. So thank you very much and see you again.